Hello, everybody. This is Mike Maynard from Evolution CRM. Today, we're going to talk about your first 15 minutes in Pipedrive. So, you just signed up for Pipedrive. Now, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to do first. Share tracking deals by lunchtime. Now, first off, what you want to try to do is get your current leads or contacts saved in a CSV file so we can easily upload them. So, what I'm going to show you right now is how to quickly import your first contacts. So once logged into Pipedrive, we're going to scroll down to these three dots at the bottom. We're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you can come right here to import data. Once we click on that, it's going to take us to a screen where we can get started by importing from our spreadsheet in an XLSX or CSV file. Now, once we click on the green Get Started button, you're allowed to select exactly which mapping you want to put on here. So if you have people, organizations, leads, deals, activities, all the above, a few of these, this is where you want to simply click on which ones you want to have applied to your import. Now, at the bottom, you also have the option to skip this and do this at a later date. So whether you choose to skip this or click these to put them together, we then hit the green Next button. This brings us to our upload. So we're going to click Upload Spreadsheet. I have my Pipedrive sample data right here. And now you can see it's going to have all the fields mapped for me. You can map your fields right here. The spreadsheet column, the mapped, and the Pipedrive data field all shows up in front of this. We can then click Next. You're going to get a preview. As you can see, I have my organization name, the address of these organizations, and then the owner, which is myself, Michael Maynard, in this instance. If this all looks good, when you look at people, you can check to see person name, first name, last name. So far, it all looks mapped correctly from what I can see. Once you're happy with this, you can click Next. And now we can either merge data or create multiple records. In this particular situation, I am going to merge the data when the duplicates are found instead of creating multiple records. I just always find that's your best way to handle the duplicates is to just have the data merged into one instead of having multiple records. And we click the green Start Import, and your data will import. Once this data is imported, we can go over to the deals, and you'll see your deals are all uploaded in here. So now if we want to add a deal, we can click on the green deal button. Say the contact person's name is Mike. The organization is Best Co. Title is VP. Now we could have put a value in here. When you put a value in here, this is going to help you to see later on how much money you have in each revenue in each particular column. For this, I'm going to put $10,000. Now, the expected close date will help us to figure out when we would be expecting this. I'm just going to put March 31st to make this easy. I'm going to skip the search channel for now, as well as the source channel. I'm going to put an email, a@a.com, and we'll do an email, a phone of 203-555-5555. And with that, we'll click Save. You now see VP of Bestco, Mike, is now here. And now when it comes to navigating this interface, say this is a qualified lead that I've actually already spoken to, and I want to have it start off in contact made. It's simple as clicking it and moving it over to here. All right, well, thanks for your time today. You now know how to add a deal both by manually inputting it and importing it. And feel free to follow up next with me when we schedule some activities and we look more to adding deals and contacts faster. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon. No, no, no.